I'm about to reveal how to skyrocket your book success with proven strategies that are rarely spoken about but guaranteed to work. In this guide, we'll follow two friends, Emily and Jake, as they learn how to improve their book's visibility and sales on Amazon. Their journey will teach us valuable lessons in a fun and relatable way. Let's join them. Jake said to Emily as they sat in a cozy coffee shop sipping their favorite drinks, "Emily, I don't understand why my book isn't selling. I thought once I published it, readers would find it." Emily responded with concern. "Publishing is just the beginning, Jake. There are strategies we can use to rank your book higher. Let's start with your Amazon ads." Emily continued explaining her previous attempts. "I set up an auto campaign, but it didn't help much." Jake then explained patiently. "That's because you need to focus on close match campaigns. Turn off the other toggles and keep the close match campaign. This way, your ads target people who are specifically searching for books like yours." Emily inquired further, "Why does that work better?" Jake clarified, "Emphasizing the strategy, close match campaigns, ensures your ad budget is spent on potential readers who are more likely to buy your book. It filters out less relevant traffic. What you need to remember as an author on Amazon is to use close match campaigns in your ad campaigns. This targets the right audience, increasing your conversion rates and optimizing your ad spend. And a key takeaway is to prioritize close match campaigns to make sure your ads reach the most relevant audience, improving your chances of sales." Jake continued the discussion the next day at the library. "Have you heard about A+content, Emily? It's a great way to enhance your book's products." Emily was curious to learn more and asked, "No, what is that?" Jake explained enthusiastically. A+content allows you to add detailed descriptions, images and comparison charts to your book's page. Start with a standard layout, which includes 3 modules. After completing the 3rd module, you'll see an option to add more. And what you do is you use all 5 modules. Emily wanted to understand the importance and asked Jake, "Why use 5 though?" Jake clarified, stressing the advantage. Using all 5 modules maximizes your space on the page, pushing competitors' listings further down and keeping buyers focused on your content. So as a quick recap, utilize all 5 A+content modules to enhance your product page, increase engagement, and push competitors' listings further down. The key takeaway is to take full advantage of the A+content to dominate your product page and outshine competitors. By the way, when you trust me enough, the top link is in the description for my course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. Anyway, moving on. Later at the park, Emily and Jake brainstormed keywords. Jake initiated the conversation. "Understanding your market and the right keywords is essential. Use tools like Amazon Search Bar, Helium 10, or self-publishing titans to find high-volume, low-competition keywords." Emily requested an example to clarify. "Can you give me an example?" Jake provided a clear example. "For a self-help book, search for related terms and see how often they appear. Focus on keywords that are searched frequently but have less competition." So here's a quick recap of the lessons I've just spoken about. Identify keywords using research tools. This improves your book's searchability, increasing visibility and potential sales. The key takeaway is to understand keyword research tools to find the best keywords that will improve your book's visibility. The following afternoon, they met at a coffee shop to discuss titles and subtitles. Emily asked for guidance. "How important is my book's title and subtitle?" Emily asked Jake. Jake stressed its importance. "Very important. Your title and subtitle are crucial for discoverability. Include your main keyword naturally to improve searchability, making it compelling and informative." Emily sought an example to visualize, like what she asked. Jake provided a relevant example. A title such as "The Ultimate Guide to Stress Management, Proven Strategies for a Happier, Healthier Life" is keyword rich and enticing. What you need to remember is optimize your title and subtitle with keywords. This enhances searchability and attracts potential readers. And the key takeaway for you is to create a compelling and keyword optimized title and subtitle to boost your book's discoverability. The next morning at the library, they discussed writing a compelling book description. Emily inquired about the approach. "How do I write a good book description?" Jake suggested a structured approach. Your description should be a sales pitch. Follow the AIDA formula, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Start with a hook, highlight the benefits, and end with a call to action. Emily requested an example for clarity. Can you give me an example? Jake illustrated with an example. Start with a question or a bold statement to grab attention, outline the main points your book covers to build interest, create desire by highlighting what readers will gain, and finish by encouraging readers to purchase or download a sample. So a quick recap for you is, write a compelling description using the AIDA framework. This enhances readability and persuades readers to buy. The key takeaway for you is, use the AIDA formula to craft a persuasive book description that converts potential readers into buyers. In the bookstore later that week, they discussed choosing the right categories. Emily asked for guidance on categories. How do I choose the right categories for my book? Jake provided insights into selecting categories. Pick categories that accurately reflect your book's content, but also consider less competitive ones where your book can rank higher. Jake recommended using tools such as for research, such as Amazon's category browser, and check out the categories used by best-selling authors in your niche. So a quick recap for you is, choose accurate yet strategic categories. This increases your chances of ranking higher in specific niches. The key takeaway for you is, select categories strategically to improve your book's ranking potential. The next day in the park, they discussed the importance of book reviews. Emily sought clarification. Do I need a lot of reviews to rank high? Jake clarified a misconception. Not necessarily. Many reviews aren't required to rank high on Amazon. Books can rank well as few as 10 quality reviews. Amazon values quality and relevance of the reviews over quantity. Emily sought understanding of how it works. How does it work? Jake explained the importance of quality reviews. Quality reviews that are detailed and positive contribute more to your book's credibility and perceived value. This helps potential readers make informed decisions. Emily shared her experience. I have books ranked on Amazon with as few as 10 reviews, so focus on quality over quantity. So a quick recap for you is, aim for quality over quantity in reviews. Detailed positive reviews help build credibility and improve rankings. The key takeaway for you is to focus on obtaining quality reviews to enhance credibility and improve rankings. At Emily's house the following day, they discussed designing an effective book cover. Jake emphasized the importance. Your book cover is crucial, Emily. You see, in the Western world, we all read scanning from the left side to the right side. This concept is known as the Gutenberg diagram. So if you place the important elements along the top left to the bottom right diagonal, this will catch the reader's eye. Emily asked about color and font choices. What about colors? What colors are ideal to use for a book cover? Jake advised on color theory. Use the color wheel, which you can Google, to select complementary colors that evoke the desired emotional response. For example, blue can convey calmness, while red can create excitement. Emily asked about fonts. What about fonts? Jake guided Emily on font selection. Choose fonts that are readable and appropriate for your genre. Ensure the sizes of the title, subtitle, and the author name are balanced. So a quick recap for you is, design your cover with reading patterns, color theory, and font selection in mind. This attracts readers and increases sales. So the key takeaways for you is to, again, use reading patterns, color theory, and proper font selection to create an attractive and effective book cover. The following week, they met to review Emily's book performance. Jake emphasized the importance of monitoring performance. It's important to regularly review your book's performance using Amazon's KDP dashboard, track sales, rankings, and reviews. Emily sought advice on making adjustments. Emily said, "What if something isn't working?" Jake replied, "Be ready to tweak your strategies based on what works and what doesn't." So as a quick recap, consistently monitor and adjust your strategies based on performance data to maintain and improve rankings. The key takeaways is to regularly review and adjust your strategies to optimize performance and rankings. Jake continued, understanding Amazon's algorithm is crucial. Amazon's algorithm considers factors like sales velocity, reviews, and relevance keywords to rank books. Implementing these strategies improves your book's relevance and performance, helping you rank higher. Emily said, so understanding and leveraging Amazon's algorithm is key. optimize relevance and performance, lead to higher rankings and more sales. And there you have it, guys, the secrets to ranking your book higher on Amazon KDP. By following Emily and Jake's journey, you'll be well on your way to improving your book's visibility and sales on the world's largest online bookstore. Remember, persistence and adaptability are key. Keep refining your approach and success will follow. What strategy are you most excited to try for your book on Amazon KDP? Put it down in the comments. Is it optimizing your Amazon ads, leveraging A+ content, or maybe crafting that perfect book? Share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. I love to hear your insights and help you succeed. Until next time.